I'm gonna show you how I repaired my speakers using this. Worked really good. I know a lot of people use rubber cement. I couldn't find it. This was the best thing I could find, and it actually worked really good. I'll tell you why I had to use this. So there's a tutorial out there that a lot of people follow, and on there it said to remove this. Well, when I did that, you guessed it, I broke it, and I know lots of y'all did too. How I fixed it was using that Gorilla Glue, and I had my laptop has to be running, you know, in order for me to know the speakers are working and they're connected properly, right? So be very careful when you do this, guys. I took a huge risk, but I was very careful. Put a nice little drop, about a quarter of the size of this little tiny little circuit on the side, you know, that you're about to press it on. Maneuver it until you feel that the speaker is working, right, to where it sounds most accurate. I held my finger on there for a long time, almost an hour. It's what I felt I needed to do in order to get this to work. I don't want to spend so much money, you know, on soldering, and also I wanted it to get done ASAP. So that's what I did, and look, it works. Let's put the volume up. I need to make a note. When you're following those instructions, they're pretty good instructions, I'm not going to lie. But you don't need to remove the wiring at all. You don't. You do need to remove the bolts or the screws for the speaker to, you know, so that you can work on it. The speaker that's on here isn't even busted, so I didn't even need to take that out. I really just need to work on this one. So guys, if you just need to repair your speaker, you don't need to take off any screws. The only screws you're taking out is to the cover. And go ahead and put the glue there, let it sit, see if it fixes it. And if it does, you didn't need to take anything apart. So learn from my lesson, and there you go. That's how you can fix your speakers easily. Screw the other instructions. They're out there to just take you to their website so you can screw it up and then you can buy their parts. I don't know, that's how I feel. Take care, guys.